Hello, Shane with Central Sales coming to you from our virtual open house. We're at the dealership today. Sun's starting to come out a little bit. What we got for you is one of our compact tractors sitting up here. This particular model is our 1760 M series, our new series that just come out. And they range from 35 horse all the way up to 60 horse. This is the largest frame, largest engine horsepower we have. It features the new FL 2814 loader. It's got a skid steer quick attach on the front, so you can put bale spear on there, pallet forks, really handy for around yard work. This particular model, they've introduced a deluxe option we can add, so we can get front fenders, air ride seat, sunshades, rear defrost on the window. So a lot of great features for comfort and comfort, yeah, basically comfort. So they also make a standard cab as well, so it's a less expensive option with just a suspension seat, no rear defroster. So a couple different options we can do there on these particular models, like I said, from 35 horse up to 60 horse. And currently 0% for 84 months on those models from 35 to 60 horse. We got various horsepowers available between both our locations, and or they have up to $7,000 in programs on these right now in lieu of the 0%. So great programs. You've been looking for a compact tractor for your little acreage you got, or updating one without a cab, come check us out. We'll see what we can do for you.